Today we're going to learn how to make some washi tape pencils. This is a great activity to do with your kids as well as a stress reliever. So let's get to it.
Okay, so you're going to need some washi tape, pencils, and a pencil sharpener.
Okay, so you have your pencil and you have your washi tape. You're going to place the tape at the back of your pencil. A little slip apart is. Stick a little piece on it. Hold it as your little guide ruler. And once you hit towards the end, you just get your scissors and chop it off. And then you just stick it. It's okay if your pencil has texture. It's not the end of the world. Especially if you're doing it with kiddos, they're not going to be perfect. And it doesn't cover the whole pencil, so then you're going to do it again.
Alright, and you just want to secure the tape one more time, and to check that it's all completely done, you're going to sharpen it.
And there you go, you have your washi tape pencils, which are great for back to school. It's a fun activity. And let's say you have some pencils laying around the house and your kids don't want to use them, just put some washi tape on it, and there you go. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos. Bye!